Hi everybody, my name is Megan and I am the Education Director here at Stages Theater Company. And I am thrilled to announce to you today that we are taking our summer theater workshops out of the box. While we are not able to gather together for in-person workshops, we have created a new format that brings the best of our workshops in a box to you in your own home. In a time where on-screen activity is at an all-time high, we have worked very hard to create an educational experience that spends as much time inside and outside of your house with as much off-screen time as possible. Using pre-recorded videos, tactile props, video conferencing, books, and more, we will take your young person into a theater class that physically comes out of the box. We are giving your young person and your family what we hope will be exciting theatrical activities that keep you creative and busy all summer long. But the fun does not stop there. In line with best practice social distancing guidelines, we are planning a whole host of in-person engagement opportunities that put your young person center stage. We'll be having outside, socially distanced costume parades, art slams, sing and dance alongs, and more throughout the summer here at Stages in Hopkins that will be available exclusively to you and your family. We do want to see your young person this summer in the best and the safest way possible. We can't wait for you to join us and make this the best summer ever. We're already busy packing the boxes and we can't wait to share this big adventure with you and your family so soon. See you then.